Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can show and hide walls on The Sims 4. I'm just waiting for the game to load. Let's go to the build mode section. Also, sorry about my characters. Um, all of my files is in my card disk, and there's an error, I guess. That's why I can only do this. But anyways, to show and hide walls, you can just simply select this icon. So you can either decorate like this to view your whole wall, or this, which deletes, well, it hides all the walls, or this one shows some walls depending on your point of view. Like if you go here, obviously this wall will be removed, hidden, and then if you look at it from this point, this wall will be hidden. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.